What's up, traders? Welcome back. This is Carlos Solano with Day Trading Tickers. Today's episode, we're going to go over probably one of my favorite indicators on TD Ameritrade on pretty much any broker that you use, which is the EMA, the Exponential Moving Average. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to show you guys how I set it up on my TD Ameritrade and then how I effectively use it while I'm trading. So first, let's bring this graph a little down right there. So up here on top is the 5-minute chart. This is the 1-minute chart. And as you can see here, I have two indicators right there, which is the 21 EMA and this is the 9 EMA. So a lot of people don't know, understand how the EMA works. So for an example, let's just say this is the 9 EMA. We'll just look at this price point. The reason why the EMA is right here at this location, because for the last 9 candles, the average points goes down to right here. Or this is the 21 EMA. So for the last 21 candles, the average price is right here. So that's effectively, to put it very, very simple, what the EMA is. So while I'm trading, how I use the EMA is right here, Apple, this is today on 6/3/2020. Apple was trading upwards, and if you know about the course that I teach, I love trading pre-market breakouts. So once it broke out the pre-market, in this case right here, once it spiked up, you would get in, get some calls, or if you're playing equities and just stocks, you would just buy the stock, and then you would hold the whole way through, running with the EMA. What this does, it really does help you control your emotions. You're not worried about the profits that you're making. You're just holding as long as it holds above the EMA. And then once it starts showing a reversal, if it breaks the EMA, I get out. Simple as that. And that's really how I use the EMA on the 1-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, I do the exact same thing depending on how things are looking. But I also like to see is there any potential resistance or support nearby. So let's just say I'm planning to get in at this break right here. All right, let's just say I want to get in at the break of this last support. You get in, be aware that this EMA could be acting like support, and it did briefly. It bounced up, it failed to bounce, and broke below that. And that way I'm aware and cautious about there may be a bounce play right there, or there may be a bounce that I wouldn't have noticed if I was just focusing on the 1-minute 9 EMA. So for me personally, on the 1-minute chart, I like the 9 EMA, and on the 5-minute, 15-minute charts, and longer time frames, I like the 21 EMA. This overall kind of gets me prepared. And let's just say, because not all trades are profitable, we all take losses, but how do we minimize those losses? My favorite way to do it is, let's just say, I got in right here. So I drew a line right there at 44.63 at the break of that. It broke that, me expecting that it's going to continue going forward. It went up a little higher, went back down, and broke the 9 EMA. At that point, I'm out. This helps me keep my losses really, really tight. Sometimes it does reverse. It does go below the 9 EMA, and it turns around and it goes even higher, and you miss the whole move. But the point is, if you trade long enough, as long as you survive the game, you're good. So I'd rather take a small loss, a potential small loss, than risking a lot of money and ultimately losing a lot more than I should have. I'd rather miss a move and protect my account than get greedy and possibly just blow up my account. So, like I said, this is probably the most simple way that I can explain it. It's very, very effective. Use it on your next trade. When the candles breaks below the EMA, I exit out. If I want the stock to go up. And then on the 5-minute chart, I use the EMA as a support resistance of a potential play. And that's how I look at it. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you use the EMA or how you have used it in the past. Then like, subscribe to the channel, and again, click the link below to look at the Day Trading Tickers website. If you want to be a part of the team where I call out moves and potential plays and be a part of a group that has a very high percentage, 80% win rate, then be a part of that. If not, if this is your first time trading, take the course first, learn the basics, learn the fundamentals, and then you'll become more advanced in the strategies later on in the course. Again, this is Carlos, Day Trading Tickers, signing out.